How to care for your dog. Welcome to video 2 of our 3-part video series on how to care for your dog. In this video, we cover the next 4 essential dog care topics to help you create an environment where your dog will thrive. At the end of the video, you will get the quick list for essential dog care of each topic covered with a summary of the main points to help you keep your dog healthy for many years. Health checks and your veterinarian. Getting your dog to the veterinarian for annual exams can prolong your dog's life. There are many diseases that can be prevented by getting vaccines and boosters to keep your dog healthy. The frequency of visits depends on the age of your dog. A puppy, for example, will be at the vet's office frequently getting puppy shots. Young dogs typically need annual exams. As dogs get older, they may need more frequent visits. For middle-aged and senior dogs, you can plan on exams at least once or twice a year. Since dogs are good at hiding ailments, annual visits can help you detect health issues you might have missed. What about fleas, ticks, and heartworms? Taking care of your dog also means checking for fleas, ticks, and heartworms. If your dog is scratching, this could be a sign your dog has fleas. Pull the fur back to see if the skin is red or irritated. You may also see a flea jump out. Grooming can also help spot fleas. If your dog has fleas, there's shampoos, pills, and prescriptions available to treat and get rid of the fleas. If you have fleas in your home, getting them removed may take some months because of the life cycle of a flea. Ticks are harder to spot. If your dog is shaking his head, has a fever, or you notice an unexpected scab or bump, these could all be signs of a tick. If you spot a tick on your dog, get your dog to the vet right away to remove the tick and reduce the chances of your pet contracting a disease. Check with your vet for products to protect your dog against fleas and ticks. There are products on the market formulated to kill ticks and fleas that can contact dogs. These include products such as flea and tick collars, liquid applications, and pills. Dogs can get heartworms from the bite of a mosquito. The signs of heartworms include weight loss, frequent coughing, lethargy, and difficulty breathing. If your dog has any of these symptoms, get your dog to the veterinarian right away for a diagnosis. Heartworms can be life-threatening because they can get lodged in the heart, lungs, and nearby vessels. Blood work is needed to determine whether your dog has heartworms and the right course of treatment. Checking for heartworms at your annual checkup could save your dog's life. Ask your veterinarian whether your dog should take medication to prevent heartworms. Spaying or neutering your dog. There are studies that show spaying or neutering your dog can prolong their life. This can be attributed to the reduced risk of getting cancer and urges to roam. It has also been shown to reduce aggressive behavior. After the procedure, and while your dog is recovering, follow the aftercare instructions from your vet and watch for any signs of distress, swelling, or infection. The procedure can also result in decreased metabolism leading to weight gain, and you may need to adjust your dog's diet after surgery. For female dogs, the recommendation is to spay before their first heat. If you have a female dog, check with your vet to get the timing right. Otherwise, the general recommendation is to spay or neuter your dog between 4 to 6 months old unless you have a large or giant breed dog. Large or giant breed dogs are neutered or spayed after the growth stops because of orthopedic concerns. Depending on your large or giant breed dog, this could be between 9 to 15 months. If you're interested in getting your dog sprayed or neutered, check with your veterinarian when the best time is for your dog. The dog ID, GPS collars, and microchipping. Keeping track of your dog will challenge some dog owners more than others. Either way, you'll always want to have an ID tag on your dog with your contact information in case your dog gets lost. A GPS tracker is a great way to help you find your dog. There are some excellent GPS tracking collars you can buy. Microchipping is an excellent option to help you find a lost dog. A microchip is about the size of a piece of rice that your vet will implant under your dog's skin. The procedure is as easy as getting a vaccine. A microchip is used to identify the owner by scanning the microchip. When scanned, the microchip provides a unique ID number. To make this work, you must register your dog's unique ID number with a registration service and provide your contact information. If it's not registered, the unique ID number will not be recorded in the pet recovery database to match up with the owner. A microchip and GPS collar also work differently. The GPS collar will help you find the location of your dog if lost, but your dog needs to be wearing the collar and the battery needs to be charged. A microchip doesn't give your dog's location. The microchip is used to identify the owner of the lost dog. It can therefore be used to identify a dog's owner when the dog's ID tag is missing. It also doesn't need a battery or any power to work, but the microchip does need to be registered. When registered and then scanned, the dog's unique ID number can be matched to the owner. The quick list for essential dog care. In this video 2 of 3, we covered 4 more essential dog care topics: health checks in your veterinarian, fleas, ticks, and heartworms, spaying or neutering your dog, and the dog ID, GPS collars, and microchipping. In the description below the video, the 4 topics are listed with the main points summarized for easy reference. The list is there for you to copy and help you care for your dog and create a happy and healthy life together. In video 3, we covered the final 6 dog care topics, and in video 1, we covered the first 5 dog care topics. Watching all 3 videos will put you on the right track to creating a wonderful home for your dog. Wrap up part 2, caring for your dog. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a better understanding on how to care for your dog. If you haven't watched yet, remember to watch the first and third video of this 3-part video series on how to care for your dog to help you create a home life where your dog will thrive. Below each video, you'll also get access to the essential dog care topics with the main points summarized for you to copy. There are also recommended products to help keep your dog healthy and safe. If you found value in this video, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thanks again for watching, and check out the information below the video.